Good morning, guys. Today on DJ's Book Club. Yes. Today, guys, we are going to make our soup. Yeah, and we're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna pick out all the ingredients out of DJ Kitchen to make soup using every color. So first, DJ, we have to. It say you need your cutting board. Say check.
Check.
She got her cutting board.
Checking board check.
And then we need our knife. We need our knife. Check.
Check. Put up.
And then we need, What, you need to put your knife on your cutting board. And then we need our wooden spoon and we need our pot. Yep, your spoon is in there. Open it up. You remember we put it yesterday? Look, you remember we put our spoon? Right there. There you go. Okay. Okay. So DJ, what do you need now? We need your what? Purple what?
Purple eggplant.
Okay. It's in your vegetables. Okay.
Put it in the car.
Okay, yep. You got to put it in your cart. Then you need your yellow. What's that?
Ow, it hurt my finger.
Okay. You need yellow what?
Don't kiss your finger.
You need your yellow what? What's this?
Yellow lemon.
That's not a lemon. That is corn.
Corn.
Okay, you got your corn? Let me see your corn.
Corn and necklace.
Uh-huh. Where's your corn?
Where's your corn?
I think you already put it in your pot. Okay, put it in your basket. And then you need your orange.
Carrot.
Okay. You gotta put it in. You gotta put it in your basket.
First.
You gotta put it in your basket first. We gotta get all the ingredients all together. So you gotta put it in your basket, right?
Right?
Yeah, put it in your basket. So, white.
Milk.
We need your garlic. Where's your garlic? Your salt and your garlic.
Put in the car.
Okay, put it in the cart. Where's your garlic? You don't have your garlic. We got to get your garlic. That's pepper. Get your garlic. It's in your vegetables, right? You know what your garlic is.
That's right here.
Yeah, put it. And then we need your red what?
Tomatoes. Red tomatoes.
Okay.
Got 2 tomatoes.
Okay, put 2 tomatoes. And then you need your green celery.
And green celery.
Good job.
You like it?
Put it in there. And then you need your clear broth. Your cup. You got your cup? Good job.
This is good.
So now you need your brown what?
Mushrooms.
Your mushrooms and...
Nope.
No, your mushrooms is in your vegetables, I think, right? Your mushrooms. Okay, DJ. And your potato. Your mushrooms and your potato. Okay. And then we need our pepper. There you go. Okay. So now you have to take all your vegetables and we got to chop them up. You got to put them on your cutting board and chop them up and then...
I got to check out.
Check out. You got to check out. You ready? Look at all of those pretty colors. Yeah, you didn't rinse off your vegetables yet. You want to clean them off first?
Clean them off first.
Huh?
Clean them and put more salt.
Yeah. Oh, no, you got to shake your salt in there. And then, yep, put your salt.
And push your pear.
And put your pepper.
And push.
Good job. Oh, you got your mushrooms and tomatoes. You got, come on.
Mushrooms and tomatoes.
Okay. You got to drop them all in. And now you got to get your spoon. Get your wooden spoon. Open it up. Now it's time to cook.
Let's go cook dinner.
Yeah, now it's time to cook. Oh.
Let it cool off.
Yeah, you got to let it cool off.
Let it cool off for the soup.
Huh?
I'm going to put little bubbles.
No, don't put bubbles in your soup. That's nasty. Ew. No. Ew.
There you go. And wash your hands together. You must wash your hands together, okay?
Okay. I think you're supposed to wash your hands before you start cooking, but you get it. At least you're a clean cook. You're washing your hands.
All clean now.
All clean now. Okay, now can mommy have a bowl of soup? It's hot, hot, hot. Oh, let's see. Let's see what you cooked up. Oh, yummy.
This hot. I don't want to cool off. Wait to cool off the boil, see?
Okay. You done cooking your soup? Okay. So yes, guys, this is an awesome, cute little book just to help go over colors and food colors, healthy food choices, every color soup.
Put in the car.
Okay. So say thanks, guys, for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And the next to my pot.
Bye, guys.